What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, I'm going to share some strategies to grow your audience. It's very important for you guys to understand that there is no success overnight, right? So when you upload your YouTube video for the first time, do not expect to get like 1 million views overnight. This is just impossible and unrealistic, right? So we need to be patient. We need to understand the fact that it takes times, it takes process, it takes dedications and endless efforts to get to the place where you want to be. So make sure you're patient and stay consistent, right? So there are like 5 different things that I would like to put very heavy emphasis on regarding how to grow your audience on YouTube, right? So the first one is to make sure that you have high quality content, right? Making sure you have uh, not only high quality but also valuable content to your audience. So this is like the main component of uh, success in YouTube or in any other social media. In order to attract your audience to come to you, you need to make sure not only that your content is high quality content, but also at least it offers your audience, some values that they can take, right? They don't want to spend their time, maybe hours watching your channel YouTube videos. They don't want to waste their time watching your videos if they don't get any values, right? Therefore, you need to make your content to be as valuable as possible. All right, so that's the first thing. The second one is to interact with your audience. You need to actively and regularly reply to comments and have social presence in your YouTube channel, right? Maybe you want to reply their comment. I totally get it, guys. Maybe it's kind of impossible to reply to every single comment because it's going to consume a lot of your time. But make sure you at least reply to like 10 or 20% of the comments that you receive. Make sure you engage in the conversations actively and make sure they understand and they know like, hey, I'm here. I'm here and I would like to build a community with you, right? I want our community to be strong. That's why I actively um, involve myself in the conversations in the comment sections. Maybe if you have like some cash, you might want to do some giveaway, right? But obviously you cannot do it very often because you're going to get broke. You can do like some giveaways, giving presents to your audience, for instance. And yeah, make sure they feel like you are there, right? You're there to talk with them. You're there to have conversations with them. It's very important, guys. And the third one here is to collaborate with other creator. I think this is one of the most effective way to accelerate your growth is to do collaborations with other content creators, especially for those content creators who have more viewers, more subscribers. It's going to be very easy to get noticed by their audience, and if their audience are interested with your content, if your audience are interested with your kind of like personality, obviously they're going to consider to subscribe or maybe to visit your YouTube channel too, right? So collaborate with your friends who are content creators with more viewers than you. The fourth one is to use YouTube Short. Okay, so lots of people don't talk about this very often, right? YouTube has its own features called YouTube Short, where you can um, create like a very short video, less than 60 seconds, less than a minute. Um, and then the algorithm for YouTube Short is not the same, but more similar to TikTok, right? It's going to be easier for a new creator to get views on YouTube Short compared to regular YouTube. So if you're like new and you've been struggling to get views on your regular YouTube, your regular long form content, well, you might want to consider YouTube Shorts. So what you should do here is to kind of like summarize your long video to like just a minute video or maybe less than a minute video. Maybe I usually call it as trailer, right? Trailer. So giving the audience the general overview about what your content is all about. Um, and then yeah, post it as YouTube Shorts, and I can guarantee you're going to get way more views on YouTube Short compared to regular YouTube. And reason why, because the algorithm for YouTube Short works in your favor as a new content creator um, with small subscribers and with small viewers, right? So yeah, consider to use YouTube Short. And the last one here is social media promotions. You need to promote your channel on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or maybe Pinterest, Reddit, other forums, right? Just don't spam people, because people got really upset and they got really uncomfortable if you spam your link to like any place. So make sure you're respectful. Make sure you follow the community guideline there. But it's good idea to promote your YouTube channel on different platforms, right? So you can attract more and more audience come into your YouTube and see your videos. So yeah, guys, I think that's all you need to know about how to grow your audience. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to talk about many different ways we can do to monetize your YouTube channel. So I'll see you guys there.